Hey y'all, Iric Sky here, and I've got my battery off of the drone because I'm charging it, getting excited to go out and do a field test. But within this video, in the spirit of Iric Sky's Adventure Channel, I want to attach the propellers for the first time. This is my first time attaching propellers to the Mavic Air 2. And again, if you're looking for the Mavic Air 2, the various bundles, the accessories, expand this video's description, and then click the link there, or simply just head on over to epicdroneshow.com and you can click the buy drone link there, or iricsky.com/Mavic Air 2. So you'll see out of the box that these arms are labeled. So you've got, these right here have a blue label that says B. Well, this has B, this has A, and it's yellow. And then you pop the back ones out, and you've got, so you got blue, blue, yellow, yellow. And that's going to be important because when you look at these propellers, and in the past you would probably notice, you were probably accustomed to, you know, the earlier Phantom models and this, that, and the other, you were probably used to looking at the nipple color. You know, you had to really look at the motor closely to see what color the nipple was. And this is a little bit more refined. So I'm going to take these out of the sack. Again, I've never attached propellers to a Mavic Air 2. I just unboxed my Mavic Air 2. So y'all are experiencing the fun with me. This one right here, again, is blue. I'm going to keep that little baggie because I've got two blues. I'm going to put my one blue. You know, and I think if I was DJI, I probably would have labeled these individual bags. You know, I'm a nitpicker, so, you know, call me nitpicky, but I would have done that. Because, see, now I've got to keep this bag because it's got the blue on it, so I know it's blue. So I'm going to set that aside. I've got an extra blue propeller, and now I'm going to get my two yellow propeller. So these are the yellow propellers. And I'm going to put them over here, so yellow. So we're going to do yellow first. I'm going to take this one out. And there's nothing on here to me that suggests this is yellow. So again, it's important to pay attention to that sack. So this is yellow. It's going to go on here. You simply push down and then gently twist. Idiot proof for most people. And now we're going to take this yellow off because we know, hey man, that's where I stuck the yellow one. Take that yellow off. We're going to do the other yeller propeller. Yeller propeller number 2. So this yeller propeller is going to go on this one here that has the yellow sticker on it. Again, just gently push down and twist. Should be idiot proof. Again, should is the operative word. And we're going to take these little yellow, take that yellow sticker off. Now we're going to do blue. Again, just gently push and twist. Got that, and we got another blue one, the final blue propeller. I like the yellow propeller better. It sounds cooler. So we'll stick this on here. And that begs the question, how does one know the difference? There are some identifying marks. So these right here have a little silver section on the top of the motor. These are black. So I'm trying to figure out if there's any sort of, I mean, you know, when you throw those sacks away, how do you know? Well, let's try this. Let's, just as a test, and again, that's how I attached them. But as a curiosity, I'm going to pop this one off. And then I'm going to take this one, which is the other color, and see if it'll go on this motor. Yikes, it will. That's kind of disturbing. Okay, I see it. Now this was very hard to see. So this propeller, and I'm going to bring it closer to you. This propeller, you can see the middle, it's black. This propeller, you can see the middle, and it's got a little tiny silver, grayish silver type ring right there. So again, hold them side by side. The bottom one has the silver ring, the top one does not. So looking at the drone itself, those are identifying marks. See right there, it's kind of a grayish silver. This has no gray or silver, it's black. So since this has the silver around the middle, it will mate with the silver on the motor. I'm going to stick that on there. And again, gently twist. So in other words, the color coding on the disposable plastic sacks is wonderful, but you know, if you're out in the field and you don't know which prop to use because you lost your sacks. See, now I'm going to throw these outer sacks away. I don't want them. It's just junk, man. So I'll just keep my extra propellers. I've got one of each type. And I don't need those sacks anymore. So, again, first time attaching propellers. But if you're like me and you're curious how things work, then, you know, hopefully this video provided value, because that's, you know, just to recap, when you get your Mavic Air 2 out of the box, it's probably going to have those stickers on it, but don't depend upon those. Look at the middle ring of the propeller, and if it's kind of a grayish silver, it mates with the grayish silver motor. So I hope this video provided value. Again, subscribe if you haven't already, youtube.com/irixguy, and ring that bell icon when you do, and that'll notify you whenever I post another video. And then also, check out all of my Mavic Air 2 videos. I've got a ton of, well, excuse me, at the time of filming this, I've just taken this sucker out of the box and I'm charging the battery over there. So, you know, there's not a field test at the time of filming this, but at the time you're watching this video, there may be. So check out my Mavic Air 2 video playlist. And with that being said, yeah, man, this is awesome looking drone. And if you're looking for the Mavic Air 2, obviously go to epicdroneshow.com or irixguy.com/Mavic Air 2, or simply expand that video description and click the link there, and you can find where to order the Mavic Air 2. I didn't get the Fly More bundle. I just got the basic one, and man, it's sweet. It comes with a good amount of stuff. So, and that controller though, oh man. Check out my other video where I obsess over the controller for the Mavic Air 2. Thanks for your viewership, and be sure to subscribe, and y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, Captain IrixGuy here. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to subscribe. It's youtube.com/IrixGuy. And ring that bell icon when you do to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.